Hello, respected sir, and my dear friends. Hope you all are well during this COVID crisis. Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. This is Yashwant Kumar from ECE B section, and my roll number is 20BQ180473. Today, I am here to give the seminar presentation about advantage concept of the strings is the string methods. Let's see what are the string methods and what is the definition of string method and its types. The string methods are the text processing which involves the many different operations on the strings. There are large number of useful string methods. We can view the complete list and the documentation of the string methods by entering the directory of str at a shell prompt, so that you can view the classification of the string methods. Following are the some of the useful string methods used for our purpose. Let's see what are the string methods and how it can classified. The string methods are classified in the 16 methods. They are count method, find method, index method, is alpha method, is digit method, is lower method, is upper method, lower method, upper method, split method, join method, center, replace, string, end with, starts with. Let's see the three string methods with detailed explanation. Count method. This method returns the number of times the specified string value appears in the string. Let's see the syntax. The syntax is string name dot count of string value comma start comma end. Here the operators string value start end classified. The string value means which is the required value to search for in the string. Start value, which is an optional parameter, is known as integer. The position at which the search starts. The default value is 0. End, it is also the optional parameter which is not necessary, which is an integer. The position at which the search ends. Default is the end of the string. Let's see the example for better clarification. Let's take the string as assigned as hello world. We have to count the double L letters in the hello world string so that there are only one. So it represents the output as 1, and continue the process string dot count of L, which means it will search the L in and counts the L value so that there are 3. String dot count of L comma 4 comma 10, which means we have to search the string value which is required, and we have to start from the search, and we have to end at which we have to end, so that by searching that the L value is 1. String dot count of Z, which means we are taking an optional case which is out of limit, so that it will return the 0 value. Next process, find method. This method finds the first occurrence position of the specified value. If the value is not found, it will return the -1, which means the find method will occurs when it will repeat it 3 times. It will represent the first occurrence of the value. The syntax are as follows: string name dot find of string value start end. Here the optional parameters are classified or defined as string value, which is required value to search for, which is the similar to the count method. Start value, optional parameter which is also an integer, the position at which the search will start. The default value we can take is 0. End method, which is known as optional parameter, is known as integer, the position at which the search ends, which means by entering the value we have to apply the procedure start value, start and end value, so that it will returns the value in the optional case. The default is end of the string. We have to take the default case as end of the string. Let's see the example for better clarification. Let's take the string assigned as hello, comma, welcome to my world. We have to find the e value in this string, so that we have to represent the string dot find of e. We can assign the a value as hello, welcome to my world, but we have to represent the a dot find of e, which means it will search the e value and it will represent or returns the value one time. We have to see another example, string dot find of z value, which is out of the case, which means it will not there in that string. The default it will returns as -1. Let's see the third important string methods, index method. which means it will find the index of the first occurrence of the specified value. If the specified value is not found in the string, it raises the error value. Let's see the syntax for better clarity. String name dot index of string value comma start comma end. Here the optional parameters string value is same as string methods, which is count value and find value, so I am not discussing here. Let's see the example of the index string. We have to assign the string as hello, welcome to my world. We have to find the string dot index of e, which means the index value in the string will begins from 0 value and it will ends to the n minus 1th value, which means if we consider the string value as 6, which means the string value index represents the starting value as 0 and the ending value as n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1th value. Let's see the string of index of e value, which represents the hello, welcome to my world. We can search that the e value present in index of 1. Let's see the another example string dot index of e comma start value and end value, which means it will indexing the values from 5 to 10. The e value was found at 8th value. Let's see the non-occurrence case. The string dot index of z, which is not present in the string, so that it will show the value error which define the substring is not found. I hope that all of you clear with this. Finally, I am concluding that the string methods are of three methods which I have discussed here. They are count method, find method and index method. I hope that you get the clear cut idea about these methods. Believing that, thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Have a pleasant day.